Good evening, all. This is Beena from MBA Department, SNS College of Technology. And today we are going to look into one of the important chapter, the factors influencing the compensation and reward management. In my last video, we have gone through lots of information regarding the definition and concepts of compensation and reward management. Apart from that, we have gone through the objectives of reward management. And today in this video, we are going to look into the factors influencing the compensation and reward management. Let us get deep into the factors influencing the reward management. Industry and market trends, compensation practices vary across industries by market demand for specific skills and talent. When it comes to organization strategy and goal, compensation should align with the organization strategic objectives, whether it is innovation, growth, or cost leadership. Employee skills, experience, and performance. Individual factors such as skills, experience, and performance level impact compensation decisions. When it comes to geographic location, cost of living differences and regional market dynamics influence compensation level for employees in different locations. When it comes to economic conditions, economic factors such as inflation, unemployment rates, and market competitiveness influence compensation decisions. Next, let us get deep into the different approach towards selecting the compensation and reward system. Job evaluation and market pricing, assessing the job roles and benchmarking compensation against industry standards help ensure competitiveness. Pay for performance, linking compensation to individual or team performance motivates employees to achieve organization goals. Towards total reward strategy, taking a holistic approach, a compensation by considering both monetary and non-monetary rewards enhance employee satisfaction and engagement. Equity and fairness consideration, designing compensation structures that are perceived as fair and equitable promotes trust and morale among employees. Next, coming to the challenges and pitfalls in selecting the compensation structure. Pay compression and pay equity issues. Disciplinary discrepancies in pay levels and equities can lead to moral issues and legal risk. Balancing cost constraints with talent attraction and retention. Striking a balance between cost containment and offering competitive compensation packages is a perpetual challenge. Ensuring alignment with organizational culture and values, compensation structures should reflect and reinforce the organization's cultures and values. Next, adapting to changes in market conditions and business strategy. Flexibility and agility are required to adjust compensation structures in response to evolving market dynamics and strategic shifts. Next, coming to the designing and implementations towards the compensation and reward system. Assessing current compensation practices, reviewing existing compensation practices, and identifying the areas for improvement. Next, coming to the point, conducting market research and benchmarking, analyzing market data to ensure competitive compensation offerings, developing starter salary bands or ranges, establishing salary bands based on job roles and market data to provide clarity and consistency, creating performance metrics and incentive plans, defining clear performance metrics and aligning incentive plans with organizational goals, communicating and compensation structure to employees, transparent communication about compensation policies and opportunities fosters trust and understanding. Next, coming to the final one, how to build a effective compensation structure in an organization. First of all, define the goals, determine the objectives the compensation structure should achieve in the organization. Next, conduct a market research. Research industry standards and competitor practices. Identify the position where the organization has to take place. Determine which roles will be compensated and their importance. Next one, determine the pay mix. Decide on the balance between base salary, bonuses, and other benefits. Now, coming to the salary, set a salary ranges, establish salary bands for different positions based on market research and internal equity. Develop performance metrics. The final one is a very important one where we need to define measurable goals and performance indicators tied to compensation. Finally, communicate clearly. Ensure transparency and clarity in communicating the compensation structures to the employees. I hope this video gives you a clear explanation on the factors influencing the compensation and reward systems and how to build an effective compensation and reward system in an organization. And all these parameters, when it done in a proper way, will lead to the employee performance and eventually the organizational performance. We'll see you in my next video. Thank you.